All right, we are here early in the parking lot. It is 7-ish. I'm walking backwards because I can. There's nobody here. Look at that. It's empty. Gonna have a good day today. Sunny at Vail. I feel like this is a constant thing.
Took like 4 minutes.
Always working on his board. Talks about how great it is. Some fresh corduroy. You good? Concept of doing the boob filming. First boob perspective. Nope, not the right one. There we go. All right, he's gonna patent this. What's up? It's like Austin Powers. The babe bots are shooting with their boobs.
Oh yeah, I forgot about that. You should watch that.
Yeah.
Strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but
Let's see that sausage. Yeah. Throw 'em on. Look at that.
How are we gonna fix it?
Nice job. Nice job.
Not too much, though.
All right, just got done eating. Heading back out. How's the sausage, Ariel?
Delicious.
Yeah. JC, how's your jalapeno sausage?
Oh yeah!
Better than mine. Oh, I don't know about that. Spicy
I can
equals
verify that.
not better. JC decided it was going to be a good idea to do champagne glades. Little did he know it was outside of his expertise. But I let them choose the runs for the day because I ditched him last weekend. His loss. So I'm going to have fun while I'm back here.
lightning strikes by my window, hits my chest right in the morning, like a warning. Could have slept here for days. I felt your heartbeat, felt your mouth breathe, but it's not real. We were close to see the sun, but clouds got in our way, and so
camera in the pocket again. Last time he messed it up. What's the over-under on him messing it up this time? Better than the odds of the Pats winning the Super Bowl?
What are the odds of him not being an asshole? That's the question.
Yeah, 0. All right, JC. Did he fall over?
Clear landing off of that shit. Not bad. You have to hit this way. No.
I don't know why he did that.
Couldn't tell you.
That was dumb.
Oh shit! I made it down. I gotta face the other way.
I have no idea what he's doing.
It's gonna be stupid.
Do it.
I didn't have enough.
Yeah, JC.
Oh my god, it's right there.
You. Oh my god. It's gonna be stupid. Oh. Yeah, that was gonna be real stupid, huh?
Well, I'm hot now.
That was your chance.
My chance was the one on top.
Yeah, and you messed that up too. Ah. Ariel's not here yet. We just took a separate route. She's coming.
That's a nice picture, brother.
I know, right? I got a couple of those.
I'm hoping she comes through there. Perfect timing. Wow.
Hurry, 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 hurry! Woo!
I got something. We'll see.
Okay. It's hot.
My legs are fucking burning.
You're working hard.
Yeah. Not sure what just happened, but my action cam is acting up on me. So we're gonna have a cell phone right now. This is cell phone footage. Just got through Scree Field. Fun stuff. All right, right now we're gonna head over to Game Creek Bowl. Look at that view.
The best view is right here.
So change of plans, we're heading down. We tired. All that meat and sausage slowed our blood down. Everybody have a good day.
Fuck yeah.
JC, you have a good day? No? What are you talking about? Why are you so negative?
I'm smiling. That means yes.
Oh, okay. He's upset because he didn't have some of these awesome Kinko gloves. Link in the description. He's officially getting rid of his gloves. Big day. Any last words, JC? You want to kiss him goodbye?
Yeah. Goodbye, silver finger.
Yeah. Silver finger.
Oh.
All right. Next week he's gonna show up with that gloves to the mountain.